TikTok is synonymous with funny, bizarre, and addictive videos, and you will find every shade of life represented on the platform. Among the thousands of TikTok influencers are content creators with a condition called Tourette's syndrome, a neurological disease that causes tics. TikTok has given a platform to people with Tourette syndrome, some of whom now have millions of followers. But what's strange is that some of their regular viewers seem to have developed similar symptoms themselves. Tourette syndrome is a disorder that involves repetitive facial movements or unwanted sounds or tics that cannot be easily controlled. People with Tourette syndrome may repeatedly blink their eyes, shrug their shoulders, or blur out sounds or offensive words. Tics show up between the age of 2 and 5, and males are about 3 to 4 times more likely than females to develop Tourette syndrome. There is no cure for the syndrome, but there is some treatment available. Many people with Tourette create content on TikTok to raise awareness about the syndrome. But a number of reports have emerged of teenage girls developing Tourette syndrome after watching syndrome-related content. According to several reports, teenage girls complained of jerking movements and verbal outbursts at an alarming rate, as much as 10 times more than before the pandemic. Reportedly, when doctors compared notes, they discovered a common link to the increase in tics: TikTok. In many cases, the girls who had reported tics also reported watching TikTok influencers with Tourette syndrome. According to a Wall Street Journal report, 10 to 20% of pediatric patients have reported acute onset tic-like behavior at the Johns Hopkins University Tourette's Center during the pandemic, compared to 2 to 3% a year before the pandemic. Reports quoted neurologists saying that tics are a unique neurological condition as they are very suggestible. Doctors at Rush University Medical Center studied 3,000 TikTok videos produced by people with Tourette syndrome. They found that 19 of the 28 most popular influencers with the condition reported developing new tics as a result of watching other creators' videos. Many videos posted by Tourette influencers show them trying to perform everyday tasks while experiencing uncontrollable movements or verbal outbursts. Some medical experts believe these emerging cases of Tourette's syndrome is an example of mass sociogenic illness in which behavior, emotion, or condition spread simultaneously through a group. According to experts, watching 1 or 2 videos of people with Tourette won't cause people to develop tics, but the TikTok algorithm keeps on showing a stream of similar videos that are suspected of triggering such responses. Some medical experts have disagreed with Dr. Oliver's research and paper that connects Tourette cases to TikTok. Psychologist Nancy Doyle wrote in Forbes that Tourette syndrome is highly underreported. It is possible that with the growing awareness of the syndrome on TikTok, more people come forward and report it. Doyle also believes that such anecdotes about developing tics after watching people with the syndrome cannot be treated as data. It is not clear if there is even a correlation between content on Tourette syndrome to people developing tics abruptly. In some cases, there are no explanations found on why somebody developed a certain neurological disorder out of the blue. The strange case of Tourette syndrome and its relation to TikTok remains a mystery. For more on health, fitness, and wellness, tune into ShowFit.